how to adjust video speed with VideoPad Editor. First of all, I'm going to add my video to the editor. Now drag and drop the video to video track 1. Now let's play the video and see how the normal speed looks like. Okay, it's a bit too loud. I'm going to change the volume. Let's play the video. So this is the normal speed of our video. Now if you wish to adjust the speed, right click on the video, click effects, find the effect called speed change. The normal speed of our video is set to 100, but if you wish to increase the speed of the video, you can type in something higher than 100, for example 400. That's going to be about 4 times faster. Click set, close the effect. Now if you replay the video, it should be a lot faster. Okay, now in some cases you may wish to adjust the speed at a specific point of your video. In that case, what you need to do is split selected clip. So navigate to the point where you wish to change the speed, click on split selected clip, find the other part of the video where you want the effect to finish. Let's say I'm going to split between 5 and 10 seconds. Click split all tracks. Now select the middle part of the video, open effects, click on speed change. Now I want this part of the video to be 4 times faster. Click set, close, and I want the final part of the video to be a bit slower than it is. So click on effects, speed change. Now the normal speed is set to 100, but I'm gonna make it a bit slower. So let's say 30. Click set, close the effects. Now if I play the video again, you will see that the beginning of the video is going to be with the normal speed, the middle section is going to be a few times faster, and then the end of the video is going to be a bit slower than the normal speed. So let's see how this looks. Normal speed, quick video, and then slower version of our regular video. And that's it.